So if you want to measure a distance, let's say between these two circles, you can go from draw to annotate, or from modify to annotate, and click this button called measure, and you're going to have options down here. So if you want to measure the distance, you click distance, and then you point to a circle. It'll show you the center. You can click on that center, point to the circle, it'll show you the center, and click on that center or point to it, and that number that's it's showing you is actually the distance. Okay, 116. If you want it to know the diameter or the radius, you point to the end of the circle, and the radius is 52. If you want diameter, you repeat the cycle. You click measure distance, and then you point to this end here, and this end is actually called snap quadrant over here. So you have to make sure there's a check here, and then you can point from quadrant to quadrant, and diameter is 104.